As you can see, it's a little bit on the foggy side this morning, but yeah, this is Lake Boga, 9 o'clock in the morning. Very foggy. Should be good when the clouds lift. Yeah, so this is Lake Boga Caravan Park. We're about 5 k's, maybe 10 k's out of Swan Hill. This is our setup, and of course you got the lake out there. Yeah, so we only booked for 2 nights. And I thought, what a magnificent place. So we've now been here for 5 nights. I might stay another couple more nights, make it a week. Pricing, yeah, well, $35 a night. Then you get your big four, G'day Parks or Discovery Parks discount. If you're a member, another 5%. So it comes down, we get it for about $31 a night. Can't get much better than this. Now there's also fire pits that you can hire and buy the wood for about $15. I think the fire pit hire is $10. And don't forget, you can do some fishing. So as you know, yeah, got myself sat around the fire last night watching the footy, put the rod out. Bloke next door said, just use a little bit of red meat. So cut up a little bit of my steak that I was going to have for dinner last night, and got myself a tiny little silver perch. And of course Debbie's taken this photo inside the caravan.